subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The ZTE sub-brand Nubia has launched its new flagship smartphone under Z series in China called Nubia Z30 Pro with a stylish rear camera design. Talking about the specifications, the Nubia Z30 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and it has 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Nubia Z30 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The quad-ray camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.6 aperture plus another 64MP ultra wide-angle lens with 120° field of view plus one more 64MP humanistic sensor with f1.9 aperture and a 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an hole punch at the top center, but it is unspecified at the moment. The device comes backed by 4200 mAh battery that supports 120W fast charging, and the company claims to charge the device from 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes of time. The handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Nubia UI 9.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.83 by 73.01 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nubia Z30 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,399 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 5,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 25th in Interstellar Silver, Vast Black and Black Gold Legend color options. So what do you guys think of this Nubia Z30 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.